Hi, in this video I'm going to review exercise for the probability using the tree diagram and Venn diagrams. So Dino is playing a game where she rolls a normal 6-sided dice and tosses a coin. Okay, we got dice and coin. If the score on the dice is even, she tosses the coin once. If the score on the dice is odd, so she will toss it twice. Okay, we got odd and even. Okay, well, if the score on the dice is even, tosses the coin. Okay, let's go for it. So we'll draw. First we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is all the dices. So you got as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay, the probability for each is 1/6, also 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. Here is odd, so only one, head and tail, 1/2 and 1/2. Another we got here even, head and tail, head and tail. Here is 1/2, 1/2. As if the dice is even, she tosses coins 1. If odd, she tosses the coin twice. So here is odd, we will add again, head and tail, 1/2, 1/2. Here also again, head and tail, 1/2, 1/2. This even, we stop. Continue for odd, we got head and tail, so 1/2, 1/2. As this is odd, she tosses coin twice, so tosses again to be head and tail, 1/2, 1/2. We toss again to be 1/2, 1/2, head and tail. 4 is even, so only once, head and tail, which is 1/2 and 1/2 the probability. 5 is odd, so first coin, head and tail, 1/2, 1/2. Second, we got head and tail again, head and tail, the second coin, 1/2, 1/2. And the last 4 is even, so the only once, toss the coin, head and tail. There it is. What is the probability of obtaining 2 tails? Okay, here is 2 tails. So first we got 1/6 times 1/4 times 1/4. This is for number 1, tail and tail. Next, here we got 1 tail. Okay, here, tail and tail. So comes again. Here we can just 2. We got 2 so far. 3. So we multiply it by 3 here. The probability of obtaining 2 tails. So 1/2. Oh, here is 1/2, not 4. Okay, we continue. So this is 3/6 multiplied by 1/2 times 1/2. So the probability is 1/8, obtaining 2 tails. So here, what is the probability of obtaining a 5, a head, and a tail? In any order, a 5, here 5, a tail, a head, and a tail. Okay, first is 5, head and tail. Second can be 5, tail and head, in any order. So here is 1 over 6 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. Here also the same thing, 1 over 6 times 1 over 2. We multiply again by 1 over 2. So here we got 1624, so 1 over 24. Here also 1 over 24. So we can just add 1 over 24 plus by 1 over 24, because this is in any order. So first can be head and then tail, or tail then head. So 1 over 24 plus by 1 over 24 is 2 over 24. We simplify it, so we got as 1 over 12. Okay, number 2. So draw a probability tree to show the possible outcomes. So a bag contains 2 5 cent and 100 cent. So we got 5 cent here and 10 cent. You are asked to take a coin from the bag at random without replacing until you get a coin 10 cent. Okay, here also if 5, so we need to get again. So the probability is gonna be 5 cent and 10. Okay, let me rewrite again. 2 5 cents, so we got 5 cents and then 10 cents. If you got 5 cents, you need to take it until you get 10 cents. So here we will continue 5 cents and here is 10 cents. As 5 cents we got only 2, here is gonna be the last. So the last is 10 cents. So let's take a look at the probability. So we got 2 5 cents and then 5 10. Yeah, 10 cents. So it is 2 over 5, not 2 over 7, I mean. The total possibility 2 over 7. Here is 5 over 7. We take it out without replacement. So 5 cents we got 1 remaining out of 6, and 10 cents is gonna be 5 out of 6. And last, we don't have the 5 cents, so only 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. There it is. B, okay, we label it. This is A plus B. For C, calculate the probability of getting a 10 cent coin on your first draw. So we got it here, 5 over 7. What is the probability of getting the 2 5 cent coin before you get a 10 cent coin? Okay, here's D. So first we got 2 over 7 multiplied by 1 over 6. We could simplify it. It's 1 and it's 3. So the probability is 1 over 21. The last, E, if you get 2 5 cent coin on your first 2 draw, what is the probability of getting 10 cent coin on your third? Yeah, here the 2 draw. So the probability is gonna be 1. Why? Because there are no 5 coin left. Because we took 5 cent and 5 cent first and then the second draw. Okay, number 3. The diagram show the probability of drawing a card that is a heart or 2 at a random from a normal pack of 52. Okay, the total is 52 playing card. So we need to calculate the card is a heart and a 2. The probability the card is the heart is here 13 over the total is 52. We multiply it by a 2. We got 4 over 52. Okay, here is 52 and we got 52 times 52. We could simplify it to be 1 over 52. Here we cross. Next, B. The card is either a heart or a 2. Here is a heart is 13 over 52. We plus by a 2, 4 over 52. So it is, yeah, we could simplify it here by so 1 over 4 plus by, we divide by 4, this is 1 and 52 is 12. Okay, we add, the card is either a heart here 13 or a 2. Oh wait a moment, can addition actually 13 this, yeah. So we got as the 12 plus 1, then we can plus again by 3, so here is gonna be 16. Okay, 16 over 52, both we can divide by 4, so it's gonna be 4 over 13. Yeah, here it is. You can just add up the total because the card is either a heart or a 2. Here is total of here 16 and the total possibility is 52, so we simplify it, so you got the answer of 4 over 13. This is 4b, this is a. The card is not a heart nor, oh here is 36, so 36 divided by 52, so we could divide by 4, so it should be 9 over 13. The probability of C, the card is not a heart nor a 2. Okay, continue B. A bag content 9 counter, 6 black and then 3 are white. 2 counters are randomly removed, one after the other without replacement. What is the probability? Should write at X on the tree diagram. So black, we take it 1 here, so we only got 5. And the total 9, we minus it by 1 is equal to 8. So we need to write it as 5 over 8. What is the probability that both counters are right? So the first white is 3 over 9. We multiply the second white. Here is we got 6 over 8. We took it out here, white, so 2 over 8. So 2 over 8. We could simplify it before we multiply it. So here is 1 over 3 and 1 over 4. So the probability is 1 over 12. Okay, number 5, 6, 7. I will continue for the next part. Thank you.